Competing in the Age of AI by Marco Iansiti. Audiobook summary and review by Story Shots. Software runs the world now, and you missed the memo. Introduction. Traditional companies compete by building better products. AI-powered companies compete by building better systems. That is the thesis of competing in the age of AI. Strategy and leadership. When Algorithms and Networks Run the World by Marco Iansiti and Karim Lakhani. Firms that understand this survive. Firms that do not become case studies. The digital operating model changes everything. Your business runs on decisions: who to hire, what to stock, which customers to serve. Now algorithms make those calls faster, cheaper, and at scale you cannot match manually. Netflix does not compete by licensing better shows. It competes by knowing what you want to watch before you do. Its recommendation engine personalizes content for 200 million people simultaneously. No human team could do that. If your competitive advantage relies on human judgment, you are already losing to a competitor whose advantage relies on machine learning. The traditional firm is built to produce value. The AI firm is built to learn. The gap between those two models is not something you can bridge with a pilot program. Data is the new factory. Oil powered the industrial economy. Data powers the digital one. But data only creates value when it moves through an algorithmic system that turns it into decisions. Ant Financial processes more loan applications in a day than most banks handle in a year. Its AI evaluates creditworthiness in 3 minutes. Traditional banks take 3 weeks. Every loan it issues generates data that makes the next decision better. This is the network effect applied to intelligence. The more you operate, the smarter you get. Scale used to mean owning more assets. Now it means controlling more learning loops. Data does not compound on its own. It compounds when your entire company is designed as a learning machine. You cannot retrofit AI into a traditional business. Most executives treat AI like a feature. Install machine learning. Check the innovation box. This fails because AI is not a feature. It is a foundation. Com for $3 billion. Hired tech talent. Built algorithms. And it is still losing to Amazon. Walmart is a retail company using AI. Amazon is an AI company that happens to sell retail. The difference is structural. Amazon's entire organization is designed around algorithmic decision-making. Walmart's is designed around human management hierarchies. Transformation is not a project. It is a rebuild from the ground up. Your incentives have to reward learning. Your org chart has to prioritize data flow. Your hiring has to focus on building systems. The companies that win are not the ones with the best AI. They are the ones designed for AI to run. If this changed how you think about digital transformation, someone in your life probably needs to hear it too. Final summary. This summary of competing in the age of AI connects the shift from human to algorithmic decision-making, the compounding advantage of data-driven learning loops, and why traditional firms cannot retrofit AI without structural transformation. But Iansiti goes deeper into how firms like Microsoft, Google, and Alibaba actually architect these systems. He breaks down collision. What happens when digital firms enter traditional industries? He explores the leadership mindset required to build in an age where your product evolves faster than your strategy. We are putting together the full summary of competing in the age of AI by Marco Iansiti right now, with a visual infographic and animated video. You can follow the book in the Story Shots app to get it the moment it is ready.